Well, Eric, here we are.
Yeah,
You ready to get started?
I think so.
We're really doing this.
Yeah.
Hi, friends and neighbors. My name's Ross,
I'm Eric.
and we are Chase Classic Motors, and we serve and protect great cars right here in Metro Detroit. Some things should never go out of style, and I like to think that our little workshop as a little cove for 80s retro themes and automotive culture from that time period is going to help keep that relevant and is going to show people at home the fun that they can have in keeping those cars going today.
My favorite cars to fix are the ones they say can't be fixed.
And we're going to show people that they can. And we've got something for everyone. You're into Mopars? Well, you're going to see Mopars. You like your GMs? They're going to see GMs. You want Ford? We've got Ford. We've got police cars. We've got professional cars.
Yeah.
People will learn what those are very soon. And we've got just a little something for everyone. We've got the mainstream classics, we've got the forgotten classics, and we've got cars that people don't even know are classics.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Well, I hope that we're kind of showing people how you actually can do that. You want to breathe life back into that car that everyone else has given up on and see what it's like? I hope we can help people like that.
So all that and more is going to be available when you watch our first season of Chase Classic Motors. We can't wait to share it with you.